In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from a Uber Eats to a Uber driver. So start off by opening up any web browser such as Google. Then please go to the search bar. Once you're over here, please look up Uber Eats to Uber driver and then followed by your country. So I'm just going to be putting it in the US just like so. Then it's going to bring you to a link that looks like this. So here it is, switch to driving with Uber. So go ahead and select on it and make sure that it is the official uber.com website just like so. It is then going to greet you with a dashboard that looks like this. And then over here, you'll see this button that says contact support to switch. So you're going to need to talk to the Uber support directly in order for them to get you to switch from Uber Eats to Uber. So you want to go ahead and click on this link just like so. Then you'll see this section that says, I want to drive with Uber. Over here, it's going to give you more details on how the process is actually going to work. So if you're terminating your existing delivery contract and then entering into a rideshare contract, it will take into effect after 24 hours from your initial request. And during that process, you will lose access to the app while they review your documents. And that is a separate process that may take up to an entire day. So if you're unable to provide all the required documents, you will be restricted from going online until all documents are provided and reviewed by the team. So please have all your documents ready over here, and reactivation usually takes within 3 days after document approval. So once you have this, then you can go ahead and press on this button that says login to help. Then you will need to log in to your Uber account right over here. Then you will need to log in with your Uber account, and then from there, you're able to go ahead and switch. And what's really great about it is that there's actually other resources as well. So they will help you out through that process, which is definitely pretty good. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.